What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test the military survival kit, and it says 25 pieces survival kit. Ultimate survival solutions for world's armed forces. Well, let's see what they got in this very tiny survival kit. Electric tape around, which is this electric tape is pretty much reusable. It stays sticky for a long time. So once you open it, don't throw it away because you can reuse it and tape it back up. Couple of balloons. Advertisement not so friendly. But anyways, let's see what else we got here. A little tiny... Whoa, that's the tiniest folding knife I've ever seen. Handle is plastic. I love the 4-finger grip on there. Each finger will not fit, but it is super cool. I like it. High quality knife, that's for sure. Okay, what else in here? Looks like everything in the bag. We'll open it up in a minute. Stormproof matches, very nice. One of these like pot holders, I guess. You would use it maybe to cook water on this or something like that. I would assume this is what it's for. Unless it's something else. Let me know in comments below. What is this? I don't know. Looks like a couple of medium band-aids and a bigger one. Cotton ball. We can start fire with that. What else is this? Water purification tablets. But what else we have here? A little mirror. Signal mirror, as you can see. Another piece right here, I guess it's like you would grab them or something like that and carry the pot holders. I don't know, maybe it's something else. I don't know what it is. But anyways, let's see what else we have here inside of this survival kit in a Ziploc bag. There is instructional, very nice. Pencil. A zip tie, super tiny, some kind of tube. What would you use it for? I have no idea. I guess, you know what, you could pour water, siphon water out, siphon things, liquid from one container to the other. You know what could be useful. Could be there's other uses for it too. It's stretchy. Wire, quite a bit of wire, that's nice. Okay, Firestarter. I like that they give you one of these Firestarter. This is a little bit higher step up for the Firestarter with the compass. I like this one a lot. With the big steel, it'll probably strike really well. Whistle, I think it's pretty useless. You can probably just scream to get your attention. Okay, the mini flashlight. Keychain flashlight. That's a tiny flashlight. I guess it's perfect. I don't know what for. Maybe when you get out from a car, in and out. Not such an amazing survival item, unless you're trying to get for help. Cool. Couple of box cutter knives with this kind of blade. You see? That's cool. Candle. Definitely now that you have a candle, matches and Firestarter, you got the fire. At least you're not going to freeze, that's for sure. Whoa, look at that. Safety pins, and this is pretty cool survival kit right here. Never seen anything like that, so that's pretty unique. I really like this sinkers a lot. Looks like it's not lead. And also, look at that. There's a stain. Bunch of pieces for the hooks to hook up. Very nice. Sewing kit. And a wire saw. But you will not be able to cut two big logs. So sometimes it's easier to just break these twigs and bunch of sticks instead of using one of those. I have put to the test this thing multiple times, and you would probably waste too much energy cutting it with this wire saw versus breaking it. Unless you can just cut through like maybe a little bit and then break it, maybe it will make it easier. But I think they're cool, but there's way better wire saws or like folding saws like that than this one. As usual, these survival kits are so funny. I mean, the only thing I probably would want is one of these tiny knives and a Firestarter and matches. Everything else, like Band-Aid, I don't know if I would want to have any of that. It's not really survival necessary. What is really like Band-Aid is going to do? Really, is it going to save you that much? Like with the knife and the Firestarter, you probably could do a lot. You know, keep yourself really warm. Obviously, knife can help you with many things that you can use. I'm not really a big fan of these survival kits when they stick bunch of wire and a wire saw and there's bunch of safety pins, a whistle, sewing kits, really a pencil. What am I gonna do with the pencil? I guess I can start a fire with it and burn it. This wire, you know what? This says military kit, but I don't know, it seems so cheap. They're just using the name to sell this survival kit. I think there's way better survival kit this side. Maybe less items, but bigger and better items. I'm gonna keep searching for this survival kit size, but maybe not so many pieces. But anyways, let me know in comments below about this survival kits. Do you like them or not so much?